Here we're going to use practice data set 1 from Appendix B to create a histogram of the math skill scores. To do this, we will go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Want to make sure that skill is our variable. Under Charts, we will indicate that we would like a histogram with a normal curve. I am going to suppress the frequency tables by unchecking Display Frequency Tables. Click OK, and our output will show us our frequency table, show us our histogram with our normal curve superimposed over it.